Some of us affectionately call Fuerteventura the Rock. An inaccurate nickname for an island with areas like this. Granted, you have to go looking for them, but they do exist. And the quest is worth it. The English name for this particular park is Castle Lara. Okay, so there isn't actually a castle, but there are hearths, taps, and benches. This spot also has a car park. It seems that the place was made for barbecues and picnics. Secluded within the mountains, far from the tourist traps, this not-so-secret peaceful retreat is a hub where hikers, riders and families can cross paths and hang out. All of this is free and open to anyone, so long as they observe the etiquette and look after the wildlife. Don't expect a rainforest, there isn't enough rain for a start. Do expect wonderful scenery though, and a difference from the desert island landscapes that Fuerteventura is perhaps best known for. The explorers amongst you can find Google Maps points of interest attached to this video.